Right, we need to add a little bit more for us to be able to use this. So go into your sub.ts file and then we're going to add a little bit. And again, if you name something else, then it's not going to be the sub.ts file, but the ts file in your page. In here we have a constructor, and we're going to be adding a little bit more to this so the system actually knows what to do and where to grab this information. I am just going to do something to clean up the code a little bit, in my mind at least. So like this. And then I'm going to call our new utilities. I'm going to use the short name for util in this case. You can call it whatever you want. And then capital U, TI, and then utilities provider. And if you look up at the top at the same time, when I click enter, it's going to import it up here as well. So if you use all the hotkeys, the system is going to do this for you. Right, that's kind of what we need to do for now. And if you feel like your page kind of looks different from mine because of these grayed out areas, don't worry. This is for some of the future videos, and also something we did in class where we used to filter out an array of, I think it was capital cities. And so I just marked them out because I don't want to use them in our case. But this is what we need for us to do this. And now we can start using this utilities TS file, where we're going to punch it in all our information, kind of like what we did with the capital cities in class, or we did with the navigation. So it's going to work in the similar way, like this. So I'm just going to start real fast by creating a stuff. So that's what the name's going to be, and make sure that it's after your constructor. So the constructor starts here, and we're just going to do this straight after. So use parentheses like this, and everything we write in this get stuff here, we're going to tell the system to return to us so we can actually use. So we're going to use the keyword here as return and do these squared bracket. Now we're ready to punch in stuff, and this is very similar to how we would create a SAS map. Or the get map. You remember all the things we already tried. So in the next video we're going to populate this, and then we're going to try to implement this into our HTML.